Okay, so what we want to do now is evaluate the sine, cos, and tan of 30 degrees and of 60 degrees. So what I want you to do on your page is to draw an equilateral triangle the best you can. Each side of the equilateral is going to have a length of 2. And you'll see why in a second. With your pencil, go to the top of the triangle, draw the height of the triangle all the way down. This is going to be 90 degrees. All the angles in an equilateral triangle are 60. So we know that this is going to be 60 degrees here. Now, this is not 60 because we've cut this angle in half. So that's actually going to be 30 degrees. What I want you to do now is, let's redraw the part of the equilateral triangle that we're concerned with. So this part here. So it's going to look like this. Here's 90. Here's 1, since we've cut this base length in half. This is going to be 2. This is 60. And that's 30. We need to get the height of this triangle. To do that, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. Now keep in mind that 2 is the hypotenuse. So we're going to say 1 squared plus a squared. A is going to be this side here, is equal to 2 squared. Let's solve for a. I'm going to bring this over here. A squared is equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Subtract 1. 1 squared is 1. A squared is equal to 3. We're going to take the square root of both sides. So a is equal to the square. So with that information, we're going to fill in our missing side length here on the triangle. There's root 3. And on the side of your page, you're going to start by taking the sine of 30, the cos of 30, and the tan of 30. So take your pencil, go to 30 degrees. The sine of 30 degrees is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. It's going to be a half. The cos of 30, adjacent over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2. And the tan of 30, opposite over adjacent, 1 over root 3. Now I'm going to rationalize just like I did in the other video. Multiply both sides by root 3 over root 3. So we can express this answer as root 3 over 3. So what I want you to do right now is on your page, continue this by yourself, and you're going to find for me, I should say the sine of 60, the cos of 60, and the tan of 60. Okay, use the same triangle, take your pencil, go to 60, write me these 3 ratios, and then return to the content page on the website.